right here was blue, and I was taught my whole life it was blue, and in reality we all know it's black because that's what we were conditioned to. That's what our culture tells us. That's what basic human understanding tells us about color. It's black. But if my parents taught me for 40 years and it was blue, I would say no, it's blue. I would argue with you till I was blue in the face that it's blue, because that's what I've been taught. That's what I've been conditioned to. You can say, no, it's not, Pastor. It's bad. Say, no, it's not. It's blue. Because why? Because my eyes don't see it for what it is. My eyes see it to what I've been conditioned to and what I've been told what the color it is. Do you even know psychologists use images to determine someone's mental state? They'll show them pictures and say, what do you see? What do you see? And based on your perception, because I can see it one way and you can see it another way, they determine your mental health. And so the problem here that Jesus was with this guy wasn't that he needed to have hands on him twice for his physical healing. He was healed the first time. The problem was his perception, because you and I, we don't see things as they are. We see things as we are. And the mind determines what we see. That's why the Bible says, be renewed in your mind. Because you could have the biggest vision in the world. Your culture, your perception, your mind, your traditions will always trump your vision.